if you can draw a line and make an X on it, you can make a Celtic knot. Let's start with a triangle. Make a triangle, and in the center of each of the line segments, we draw an X. Okay, notice how we draw the X. So not on the line, but the X so that the line goes through the center of it. Okay, that's our start. Now we connect the lines. So we go from here, starting here, and go through, and we go around the top of the triangle, back here and through, around the edge of the triangle, and then here and through. So that's the beginning of our knot. Next, we use an over-under guide to decide which is over and which is under. So here, over my line, I say that the one coming down this way is over and this other one is under. So let's apply it to this intersection here. Okay, so if we're looking here and we say, okay, the one coming from top right to lower left is going to be over. So this one's going to be our over. So we go in and we erase. Let me get a better eraser here. We erase what we have here, and now we widen our knot. So okay, this one's going to be wider. Okay. And we won't need this triangle part anymore. And what about the other one? Well, this part is going to be the under. So it's going to be the under. And it's going to come out there as the under. Okay. And we'll do this for each of the crossings. Now you can see our completed knot. Okay? So if we start with the loop from here, we're over this one, and then under here, and over this one, under here, over this one, under here. And it's a one continuous knot that goes around. And that's how the triangle converts to a Celtic knot. Next we'll do a square. Let's put our X's in to the square in the middle of each line segment. Okay, so we don't follow the lines of the square, we cross it. So get your 4 X's like this. Next, let's start here and start making our loop. So we connect these two, okay, and we continue through, and we go around the corner and loop to this one back. Continue through and loop around. Now see how the triangle is different? That loop is complete. So now we go over to this one and we say, okay, we're going to loop here, go around the corner, loop here, and go around the corner. Okay. Next, I'll draw our over-under finder. Now it doesn't matter which way you do the over-under, but you just want to be consistent. So I've decided once again that from the right upper to the left lower will be the one on top. Okay? And then we pick the one that's easiest to line up, so we say, well, here's one from the right upper to the left lower, so it's going to be like this, and I'll erase the line so I can have this one be on top. Okay? So this one's going to be on top, and the other one, so I widen it, that initial line, I put something on each side, is going to go underneath. Okay, so now I'll complete this one and you'll see what it looks like. Okay, so now when we look at this line segment here, okay, so we're oriented this way, it's the one coming here that's from the upper right to the lower left. So now this guy's going to go underneath. So now you see the completed Celtic knot that corresponds to the square. If we start here, we go under, come around, go over. Go under, come around, go over. And you see how it's two separate loops. This one goes over, under, over, under. So that's our knots corresponding to a triangle and a square graph.